Okay, we now have a statistics question. Foremost, we need to draw the table. So let me draw the table for this question. So okay, so we got time in minutes, and then number of students who completed the test, and this is cumulative frequency. We represent it as C dot F. Now between 1 to 5, number of students who have taken just between 1 and 5 minutes, or 1 to 5 minutes is 1. Between 6 and 10 minutes, number of students who have taken to complete the test is given to be as 2. So 11 to 15 is 5, 16 to 20 is 7, 21 to 25 is 10, 26 to 30 is 15, 31 to 35 is 8, 36 to 40 is given to be as 2. Now we will have to get the cumulative frequency. So in your paper it is given as 1 and 3. So they have given these two entries. Now how did they get this 3? They take this 1 added with 2, you get 3. Take this 3 added with 5, you get 8. Take this 8 added with 7, you get 15. And take this 15 added with 10, you get 25. Take this 25 added with 15, you get 40. Take this 40 added with 8, you get 48. Take this 48 added with 2, you get 50. Now this is the completion for cumulative frequency. Now they are asking you to draw the graph. That's the second part. Now to draw the graph, the points, you have to have these such as the coordinate points. You can simply state it as coordinates or coordinate points. See, you take this 5, you club it with the cumulative frequency. So this will be the x-axis and this will be the y-axis. So 10, 3, 15, 8, 20, 15, 25, 25, 30, 40, 35, 48, and 40, 50. So you have to draw the graph. So what you have to do is, on the x-axis you have to represent time. So this is not to scale, it's just a approximate concept of graphing. So this is my x-axis, but x-axis represents time. Okay, now in time, see, every grid is 2 centimeters, right? So each centimeter will be 5 minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. And then along the y-axis, this is going to be my cumulative frequency, C dot F. So each 2 centimeters, on the y-axis each 2 centimeters represents 5 students. Okay, so you have 5 students, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. Okay, so this is 0. Now 5 minutes. How many students have completed the test within 5 minutes? Just one student. You see, 5 and 1. Just one student. So I'm plotting it. Of course, you might be asking me, how do I know? Because this is just an approximate plot. 5, 1. Okay. Next is 10 minutes. How many students have completed the test? 3 students have completed the test. So this is an approximate plot. So 15 minutes, how many students have completed the test? 8. So this is going to be over here. 8. And next is 20. In 20 minutes, how many students have completed this? 15. So this is going to be over here. Okay. Now 25 minutes, how many students? So this is over here. 25. 25 goes over here. 25. Okay. And 30, how many students have completed 30? So 40 students. 30, 40. Okay, 30, 40. And 35 minutes, how many students? 48 students have completed 30. Don't go to 50, just 35 minutes, 48 students. In 40 minutes test, how many students have completed? Almost all. Everybody ending here, 50. So you have to connect all of this. Okay, and that is the graph. Story finished. Story done. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Now we are expected to find the median. Okay, so I'm just going to use this side. The median corresponds to the, let me write that, median corresponds to the following cumulative frequency, CF. You take 50, you divide by 2, what do you get? 25. So now you need to go up and locate this 25. Where exactly this 25 corresponds to? 25 corresponds to this. Okay, you catch my point. You see, you have got this 25. 25 corresponds to 21 to 25 minutes. Okay, so you have to get the median value for that. So therefore the median is, now we are given a interval 21 to 25. So you add 21 with 25 and you divide by 2. So what do you get? You get 46 divided by 2. That's going to be 23. So the median is approximately 23 minutes. So that's the solution. Okay, so we have completed part 1, graphing part 2, part 3. Now there is part 4. Now let me write the part 4. So they're asking us to find the probability. Find the probability that a student chosen at random took 30 minutes or less to complete the test or experiment. Okay, I've been mentioning it as test, but the word given is experiment. So what we have to do is, you have to find the cumulative frequency for 30 minutes. So where do you have the cumulative frequency for 30 minutes is 40. So probability is going to be 40 divided by 50. That's a number. So what is this? This is 4 over 5, which is nothing but 0.8. So therefore the probability of locating or finding such a student is 0.8. Okay, so that is the end of this question. We move on to the next.